there are many doctors who believe, and even in our group at AFK Academy, we have a group of about 15 people who are all diabetes. Now, the diabetes can be reversed by cutting down on the food which produces glucose, and by fasting for a certain period. I will tell you how much. And by doing like this, the body, has the diabetes people have a problem which is called insulin resistance. That means either the body is not producing insulin, or even if the insulin is produced, it's not opening up the gate of the cell for the glucose to go inside the cell. It's called insulin resistance. Now this mechanism is disturbed because the cells inside the cell are full of fat. There is extra fat lying inside that. So how to deal with this? We tell these diabetes people, they start with fasting of we start them with 14 hours or 15 hours and 16 hours, which is not very difficult. 12 hours plus another 2-3 hours. Basically, we have to cut down their level of sugar in the body, because what happens is, if there is extra sugar and the insulin is not letting that sugar combine and convert into energy, so the body's sugar level will go up, and then there'll be symptoms of very high blood sugar. So therefore, when we are making the person fast, and secondly, we cut down on their carbs. So what happens is, rather than letting the patient eat more food with sugar and then giving insulin injections, trying to manage it, we try to cut down on, while eating itself, cut down the food which has carbs. So cut down the food with carbs, your sugar level will come down. Okay. And then
Okay.
certain amount of exercise that will burn the fat inside the cell. When the fat inside the cell is burned, the natural insulin, which is already there in the body, that will open the door for the blood glucose to come in. So when the blood glucose goes into the cell, the sugar level will come down. So we don't really need, all the patients who are in our group who are doing this diabetes management. It takes 2 or 3 months. There are some members who joined us within the first 1 month. The blood sugar started coming down. Once it comes down, their own doctor told them to cut down the medicine by 25% or 50% or something. So within 2 or 3 months, in some of the cases, the medicine has been cut down by 100%. Some people were taking insulin injections for the last 10 years and 15 years, and they have now completely stopped. So I have just now explained to you the mechanism by which this can be done. One is cut down the food which has, glucose making, which is either sugar and carbs. And second is certain amount of fasting. We don't tell them to do fasting of 24 hours, 48 hours. Diabetes people, we never tell them to go be more than 16 hours. At the most, they can do 16 or 18 or 20, as long as the blood sugar is within 100 and doesn't go below 100. They can do fast. you know I mean, blood sugar up to 100 or even 95 is safe. Otherwise what happens is, if they keep on eating their medicine and they keep on fasting, then the blood sugar will go to a very low level, and that will be very dangerous.